If I had 0 subscribers in 2026, this is what I will do. No shortcuts, no luck. It's just a real strategy that will work for you and I as a new YouTuber content creator. Because here is the truth. YouTube has changed. What works in 2020 doesn't work anymore this year. Alright? What works in 2020 doesn't work anymore this year. Alright? YouTube is not staying the same, but it's gradually changing. Alright? It's a technology, guys, let me tell you. So if you are starting from 0 right now, this content is for you. So in this video, I will show you simple strategy, step by step, on how to build your channel from 0 to 1000 subscribers. The first mistake the most beginners do is when they create their channel, they always upload every videos in the same channel. Let me tell you, the big mistake that small beginners do is they always upload videos which are every types of videos in the same channel. That is very big mistake. So it's like gaming today and sports content tomorrow, or sports content tomorrow and then vlogs today, or the music tomorrow. Something they mix it up. That's the reason why algorithm will confuse which content is this content creator is based on. Alright, you don't have to confuse algorithm have to understand what you are posting or what you are based on. And let me tell you, that kind of thing doesn't work anymore. Today's way of creating content, uploading videos in the YouTube, that doesn't work anymore. So if you're starting from 0, then you have to be consistent on one niche only. The niche are, for example, if you are talking about, if my channel is talking about how to grow your YouTube, it's all about PNG YouTube TokTok. So how to grow your YouTube, how to grow on YouTube, how to get 0 subscribers from, how to get 1000 subscribers from 0, and then building your channel up, or how to make money on YouTube. So that's my niche. Alright, so what I'm trying to tell you is you have to choose your own niche. If you are choosing your sports, if you are choosing sports, you have to base on sports only. If you are choosing quote of the day, then you have to based on quote of the day only. If you are choosing Bible stories, then you have to based on Bible stories only. You don't have to mix up everything in the same channel. That's where you will confuse the algorithm, YouTube algorithm. Alright, so the goal is simple: become known for one thing only. Alright, so the advice that I'm telling you, or advice that I'm trying to give you is, you have to, if you want to become a content creator, alright, you have to watch some videos from highly top content creators, for example like Mr. Beast, alright, or some other content creators, where how they make their content. It's not all about better camera or better way of editing a video. No, it's all about how to organize your thumbnail. It's all about how to plan, strategize your videos in order for get attention from your subscribers. Alright, get attention from some other viewers who are trying to play your video, right? So they will attract in your content that you are uploading, and then they will so interested because why? You are planning. So I'm not telling you to go and then copy their way of doing content. No, what I'm trying to say is you watch and then you get their styles, and then now you have to do it on your own. All right, you remix it, and then that's when you remix it, it becomes your content. It becomes your idea, and then you have to keep going with that type of idea, and then that's where you will improve step by step. So another secret here, shorts is very important, right? So if you were starting from beginner, you have to first concentrate on shorts first, all right? Because sometimes shorts get more viewers than long form videos, right? Maybe 15 seconds or 1 minute for every shorts that you're gonna upload here. So what I'm trying to say is post 1 to 3 shorts every day, right? So maybe it can be 3 shorts today, tomorrow can be another 3 shorts. So when consistently uploading those kind of shorts, so the first that I said was to concentrate on only one niche. So the answer here is shorts grow your channel, but long videos make money. All right, long videos will earn you money, but the shorts will grow your channel. Shorts will grow your channel, long videos will make you money, and also long videos will build your watch time hours, and shorts will get you more subscribers. So what you will upload is clear value, simple editing, alright, strong storytelling. As I said, you don't need expensive gear, alright, you can start now. As long as you have a smartphone, you can start now. You can start recording yourself, you can start creating ideas. So you must understand that if nobody clicks your video, then nobody will watch, then nobody is watching your videos. So you have to spend more time on your thumbnails, on your titles, what kind of title that you're gonna use in order to get viewers' attention. Alright? So, or what kind of video title that you're gonna use. So when someone is trying to search on something, it will automatically, your video will automatically appear on his or her YouTube. That's strategy. That's a simple strategy that you and I gonna use. Right? I'm also encouraging myself, and I'm also encouraging you. It's where you and I will grow. So for example, what I'm trying to say is the hook that you and also a hook. So the first hook is from 0 to 1K subscribers. Stop scrolling, but watch this. That's another hook, you see. Don't start yet. You are doing the wrong thing. It's like, you're making people, shocked or curious, So the key strategy, the key here is you have to plan from 30 days within this 1 month. Most people fail when they have 0 subscribers, when they have no subscribers at all, or if they have 10 subscribers or 15 subscribers, and then they just feel, they just failed, or they doesn't move on to another content again. Guys, don't be like that person. All right, you have to be consistent. What I'm saying is within 30 days you have to post 3 shorts per day within 30 shorts. So 3 times 30, which is equals to 90 shorts in that month. All right, and then if you are posting long videos, 2 times long videos per week, then which is within that 30 days, so it will be like 8 videos. If I were you, what I will do is I'll consistently post videos within the 30-day period, and then I will see if my channel is working or not. So 30 days straight posting, no excuses. Even if your video get 0 viewers or 10 viewers, remember, because one video can change everything. Consistently beats talent. So when uploading or when posting something on your channel, remember to go back. You have to know that you have to go back and then watch your own videos, and then look at click-through rate, look at watch time, audience retention. Ask, where are people living? Why did they click? And why didn't they click? So let's summarize everything. If I had 0 subscribers in 2026, this is what I will do. Pick one niche, study what works, post shorts daily, upload long videos weekly, focus on titles and thumbnails, stay consistent, improve every upload. Do this for 30 days and you will see you won't be at 0 anymore. Your first 1,000 subscribers closer than you think.